Hi everyone, how are you? I'm so excited to share with you our phenomenal album retreat. Now, I haven't even opened up this box yet, guys. So I'm going to be unveiling it and checking it out right along with you. So if you've ever experienced an album retreat, it is one of the best things happening. Creating 24 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. When you break it down, it's less than $10.50 a page. And wait till you see everything that you're going to get within this kit. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm lined up just perfectly for you guys so that you can see everything that is included in this box. So I've broken the seal, but honestly, I have not gone through and checked out everything. So let's get to it. So have you guys ever done an album retreat? Those that used to be with Close to My Heart obviously have, because they used to offer it maybe 2-3 times a year. And I want to just share with you everything that you're going to get in this kit. So looking at this, right? So we're going to get this box, and it provides you are getting 2 stamp sets, and one of them is a double-sided stamp set. Check that out. So technically you're getting 1 sheet, 2 sheets, 3 sheets, 4 sheets of stamps. One is all your alphabets, capitals, and small font. And then you're going to get your numbers and some fun little images here. It looks like you're going to do a lot of labeling. We have some flowers, some leaves, some starbursts, a cloud. Look at that little birdie. Some stars. And then you have some verbs. Well, maybe they're not verbs, but you have summer, autumn, spring, winter, holiday, celebrate, life is sweet, in review, happy. It says highlights, love this, what matters most. So obviously some great little accent pieces. Now this 12 by 12, this album retreat for the 24 pages that you're going to be doing is the calendar year. So keep in mind that it's January through December, but you can change your titles up. You don't have to keep them to state January, February, March for every month. Let's see what else is in here. You're getting a full package of neutral matte dots. You are getting some flip flaps. So that's fun because that means they're going to be showing some flip flap action. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 flip flaps. They're going to show you how to apply those to your pages and get the most out of all your pictures. You got a roll of twine, right? All of these, I'm not going to open them because they're going to go loose. These are all your picture markers right here. And it looks like they've got every size, starting with 2 by 2 all the way up to a 4 by 6 for photos. And then, oh, we got more flip flaps. 6 flip flaps. And then they give you, which is really nice, your sheets to put in your stamp cases. Now, we do sell the separate stamp cases that are available. So you would just put these within your little stamp case, and it's got all the images that are right there to put in with your stamps. So obviously they did this because those cases are expensive. They add to the weight and to the cost of this retreat. So smart move for them. And then we're going to put all this back in. And look, we still have more to go through. You are going to get 12 top-loaded page protectors. Perfect. You are getting a die cut sheet, and this looks like it has every single month on there. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Oh, yep. Some art, some hearts, and some accent pieces. This is all sturdy chipboard. Perfect for your title pages if you choose to use them. We have some irresistible cardstock. That'll be fun. This is going to be used with some blending brushes, so you'll need blending brushes. But it looks like they have it all set and pre-cut for you. And then we have some additional die cut pieces to accent your pages. 1, 2, 3, and I'm not sure I grabbed them all. Yep. And what's nice about it is that they identify on the back, so you can prep your projects, so you know which piece goes with what on the back. I love when they do that. It makes your life so much easier. We have some additional accent pieces here, and these look like they're stickers. Nope, they're punch outs. So you've got some labels here, some clouds, some flowers, some hearts. And then this is literally the best part. You guys, 1. And it's all labeled. Project 1, Project 2. All of these are pre-cut, ready to assemble pages. All 12 of your projects right here. Each creating 2 double page layouts. And we're using some current product, but I do know that there is some upcoming items that will be showing you some of our newer, possibly exclusive paper. DSP that's going to be coming up. Look at that. All 12 pages. All pre-assorted and ready to assemble. So, if you've not experienced it, look at all this product that you guys are getting. It is a ton of product. Right? All for $250, which is really a great deal. It's less than $10.50 per page. And I'm offering an exclusive special just through my website, that if you choose to purchase the album retreat, you will receive your own album, 12 by 12 black. You can get D-ring or I forgot what I used, the D-ring, but or tab related album. They're black, a 12 by 12. It's a $43 value. It'll be yours free with the purchase of any of the with the purchase of this album retreat. They are selling quickly from what I understand. And if you are interested, please either text me, comment on this video below, or email me at craftwithro@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you've enjoyed this exclusive preview of our album retreat. Follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.